Rain and snow are two of nature's most visible weather phenomena. Both are forms of precipitation, delivering water from the sky to Earth's surface. They play essential roles in the planet's ecosystems and water cycle. Rain begins its journey as water vapor rising into the atmosphere. When air cools, this vapor condenses into tiny droplets forming clouds. As droplets combine and grow heavier, they eventually fall as rain. Snow forms in a similar way, but under colder conditions. Water vapor crystallizes directly into ice instead of liquid droplets. These ice crystals join together to create snowflakes, each uniquely patterned. The structure of a snowflake depends on temperature and humidity. Some snowflakes appear as flat plates, while others grow into intricate star-shaped formations. No two snowflakes are exactly alike due to these subtle variations. Rain and snow are both part of the hydrologic or water cycle. This cycle moves water through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. It sustains rivers, lakes, oceans, and all forms of life. Regions near the equator experience more rain than snow because of consistently warm temperatures. In contrast, colder climates like the Arctic and Antarctic receive little rain but regular snowfall. These differences shape local ecosystems and lifestyles. Rain can fall as light drizzles or intense downpours. Gentle rain nourishes plants and replenishes groundwater. Torrential rain, however, can lead to flooding and erosion. So snow can accumulate in layers, creating snowpacks on mountains and fields. These snowpacks actually serve as natural reservoirs, storing water that melts gradually in warmer months. And this slow release is really crucial for agriculture and drinking water supplies. There are various types of steady rain showers and thunderstorms. Thunderstorms occur when rising warm air meets cold air, causing rapid condensation and electric discharges. These storms, produce dramatic rainfall and lightning. Similarly, snow has many forms including flurries, blizzards, and sleet. A blizzard combines heavy snowfall with strong winds, reducing visibility. Sleet happens when raindrops freeze before reaching the ground. Both rain and snow influence culture and traditions worldwide. Rain dances, snow festivals, and weather folklore highlight their importance in human history. Many songs and poems celebrate the beauty of falling rain or freshly fallen snow. In agriculture, rain is essential for growing crops. Farmers depend on predictable rainfall patterns to plan planting and harvesting. Too little rain causes drought, while too much harms crops through flooding. In colder regions, snowfall supports winter sports like skiing, snowboarding, and ice skating. Tourism industries rely on consistent snow seasons to attract visitors. This creates both economic benefits and environmental challenges. The sound of rain is known for its calming effect. Many people actually use rain sounds to help with sleep, relaxation, or even focus. This connection between weather and emotion is, a universal human experience. Snow, on the other hand, creates a silent world. When snow blankets the ground, it absorbs sound, producing a hushed, peaceful atmosphere. This silence is part of what makes snowy landscapes feel so serene. Climate change is affecting global rain and snow patterns. Warmer temperatures increase the likelihood of rain instead of snow in traditionally snowy areas. Shifts in precipitation impact water supplies, agriculture, and ecosystems. Extreme rain events are, becoming more frequent with climate change. Cities really need to improve drainage systems and flood controls to adapt. Managing stormwater is an essential part of modern urban planning. Satellite technology helps scientists monitor rain and snow from space. Tools like radar and weather satellites provide real-time data on precipitation patterns. This information, honestly, aids in weather forecasting and disaster preparedness. Ancient civilizations developed early methods to predict rain and snow. Observing cloud shapes, wind direction, and animal behavior offered clues about upcoming weather. Today's science, in many ways, builds on these traditional insights. In literature and film, rain and snow, they symbolize a range of emotions and themes. Rain often represents sadness, renewal, or cleansing, and while snow symbolizes purity, silence, or even isolation. Some regions experience monsoons. Those are seasonal patterns of heavy rain. Monsoons support agriculture, but also pose risks of landslides and flooding. Communities have, over time, adapted their architecture and farming techniques to survive monsoon seasons. Avalanche risks, they accompany heavy snow accumulation in mountainous areas. Avalanches occur when snow layers become unstable and, slide down slopes. Managing avalanche danger is really critical for mountain safety. Rain and snow both contribute to shaping Earth's landscape. Rain erodes rocks and soil, forming rivers and valleys over time, and snow's weight and movement influence glacier formation, which, over millennia, carves mountains. Fresh rain and snow can have a real impact on air quality. Rain helps clear dust and pollutants from the atmosphere, while snowfall actually captures airborne particles as it falls. Both of these, you could say, play subtle roles in maintaining a healthy environment. In the end, rain and snow are not just weather events. They are, honestly, lifelines for Earth's ecosystems. From nurturing forests to creating rivers and lakes, their presence is absolutely essential. Understanding these phenomena, I think, really deepens our appreciation for the natural world around us.